All right, we are off, and we have 2 boxes left to open here. Been doing a lot of log splitting, and we've been tearing up equipment, so it's hard on the equipment. Let's see if we have parts to fix our skid. Let's see if this is the right. I think this is. Oh no, this is the. Oh wow. Wasn't what I expected. If you guys don't know, we sell a little bit of firewood, and it's nice to have some change because we sell it for $25 for a wheelbarrow, and so that always creates an oddball amount because nobody has the right change usually. So either they use a debit card, credit card, or we have to make change. So it's better to have a cash box. So anyway, where is the no packing slip? Oh, it's underneath the, hold on, let me cut this out real quick. See if I can pull the packing slip out so I can give you the details. All right, back at you. This is KYODOLED Large Cash Box with combination lock money box cash box. Blah blah blah. It was only $9.80. So with tax and shipping and everything came to $10.54. So there you go. You got a place for all your change, and you got a place for your big bills, and the paper's stuck under here. All right. Password instructions, and you can record it there and put it in a safe place. So put all your cash there. Let's see if we got some cash to put in here. Your ones. This is pretty nice. I think that's all I got. There's 20s. No 5s. All right. There's your 10s. And see how it works if you just pull one out. See if you can do that without disturbing the other ones. Yeah, it works pretty good. That way you just pull one out at a time. Not too bad. That works out pretty good. And we don't really use change, but just pretend. Oh, here's a 5. This is really super handy for making change, especially if you're doing something simple like firewood, because a lot of times, you know, look, there's a staple in that tin. If you don't have carry a bunch of change around when you're, like, a lot of times you'll be splitting wood, you don't want to carry a bunch of change around with you, or you just carry a few. And then we have another big toolbox that we keep all our stuff in. So this thing can be, or you can even screw it into the floor, so that way they'd have to pick it up and pull the money out instead of take the whole box. But this is going to be super handy. It's only like $10, so I'd rather be organized, and you know, you don't have to keep a bunch of money in here. Like, I'll probably just keep, you know, like 10s, 5s, and 1s in there. But it's handy if you need it to you know, for something else, and you can lock it up. So if you have a small business and you just have like a little bit of, you just need a few, because most of the time too, you're gonna, like we use mostly square, so we're not really gonna need to, we don't do a lot of cash, but every once in a while, you know, people like to, I mean, I don't mind cash, but it's just a really super handy way to just keep organized. And there's only 2 of us, so it's like pretty easy. Anyway, for 10 bucks, you can't beat it. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you guys want one, just let me know. Also too, we're not going to use it all that much, so like just we'll use it like firewood season's about it, and smoker woods, like we don't sell that much of it, but we'll use it for a little bit, and I'll see how Steve likes it, and I'll try to give you a comment later on, a review down the road, see if it holds up. Seems like it's kind of cheap, little rivets and stuff like that, but even if this breaks, I think as far as what holds the money, like I really don't need this change tray, so I could actually take that off, but that's part of the hinge system, so I'm going to try to keep it intact for now. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.